Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Taurus. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up. I'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys. Taurus, with these cards, I feel your person, they are going to communicate with you, okay? They are going to come towards you, and you're feeling very positive, enthusiastic and confident today, and you're determined to make this relationship work. If you are single and if you like somebody, maybe they are coming to communicate with you guys, or maybe if you are already in a relationship, you are taking the relationship forward, you're making what to say having a good bonding with your partner, maybe spending some quality time with them, and you're sharing your what to say your past with them, you're talking to them, and and for some of you all, maybe you are getting help or advice from somebody, maybe your friend, your partner, or your parents, siblings, okay? Somebody who is giving you good suggestions and counseling regarding your life, or something in your work. You're trying to create a secure and stable relationship, guys. You're structuring your relationship, you know, with experience and knowledge, how to make this relationship work, and how to do go about things to have that balance and harmony in your relationship. So you're taking steps to make this work. So that is the energy here, guys. Maybe this is your energy, or this may be your person's energy, guys. So you want to work, make this relationship work. You're going in for good communication with your partner, and you want to spend time with them, be there for them, and stay committed in this relationship. And some of you all may what to say, may want to get engaged and take this relationship forward, okay? So all positive cards here, guys. I'm getting let me pick out 3 more cards. Okay, let's see what's coming up from this other deck. Knight of Cups, Hierophant, Emperor. Okay, cards with okay, Taurus, with these cards I'm getting the same kind of energy here, guys. You want security and stability in your relationship, or your person wants that, and you're feeling very protected, and this is a time for you to propose, guys. For most of you all, it's going to happen, okay? And for some of you all, you who may be single, someone is approaching you, okay? with the proposal. So that is the energy here. For some of you all, you may be getting married also, guys. So, and you are approving this connection, you're happy in this connection, you're feeling safe and secure, and what to say, loved and cared for. Okay, so you are accepting this connection for whatever it is. So this relationship is advancing, guys. It's going on the positive side. Your person wants this relationship work, or you want this relationship work. You're moving forward with an engagement or plans to getting married. Okay, that is the energy I am seeing here. Or maybe in your work also you are moving forward. That may also be the energy here. You are getting new opportunities and better position in work. So that may also be the energy here, and you're accepting the change, you're accepting the promotion. Let me pick out 3 more cards from the other deck. Love. Silence your thoughts. Greet the dawn. Okay, guys. Taurus, so definitely a new beginning is coming up, maybe in the form of your wedding or in the form of your engagement or a new proposal. Okay, you don't have to overthink, guys. Things happen for a reason. So it is definitely love what you have, since you're feeling very secure, stable and happy in this relationship. This relationship will work. That is the energy I'm getting here, Taurus. You don't have to overthink about your person, okay? And you just need to accept things as it is, see the truth for itself, okay? When we overthink, sometimes we just go away from the truth, and we what to say, build wasteful thinking, okay, and it just leads us to lot of stress. So instead of doing that, we just have to see the truth for itself, okay? Be quiet and see, and see what kind of person they are, and if you really like, you can accept the proposal. But for most of you all, I'm seeing you accepting the proposal, guys. That is the energy here. So you're welcoming the new person into your life, or in your work, maybe you're welcoming the new change you're getting, this promotion or change in work. So whatever it is, Taurus, something new is beginning, and it is all on the positive side, guys. That is the energy, Taurus. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment whether this reading resonated with you all. I'll be doing daily readings every day, so you can watch and comment. Thank you, Taurus. Bye, guys.